Namaste.
Namaste. Good afternoon to you all. My name is Varsha Atrai and I am Kritika Nirovla. We are from Greenhouse. The title of our project is Model of DNA. The aim of our project is demonstrate the structure of DNA and explain what DNA is.
So, DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid is a molecule that carries the genetic instruction used in growth, development, functioning and reproduction of all living organisms. It is the fundamental building block of life found in the cells and it contains all the information necessary for construction of proteins, which are essential for bodybuilding. DNA is responsible for storing and transmitting genetic informations. It directs the synthesis of proteins through a process called transcription DNA to RNA or translation RNA to proteins. These proteins control most cellular function and determine an organism's trait. Overall, DNA is the blueprint for life encoding all the informations for human being.
Thank you.
We are from grade 10 Blue House.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Please your name, introduction.
My name is Maria Ganesh from Red House.
And I am Savita Libu from Red House. I am Bhumika Khanta from Red House.
I am Sonia Dhal from Red House.
What is this?
Human heart, model of human heart.
Please explain.
Heart is the muscles that pumps blood to all the parts of body. It has 4 chambers. It is located in thorax between 2 lungs. It has 4 valves, 2 atriums and 2 ventricles.
It also have 2 pumps, right side and left side. Right side receives blood from body and send it to the heart, and left side receives blood from the heart and send it to the body.
And in the heart there is 2 types of blood. One is deoxygenated blood and one is oxygenated blood. Deoxygenated blood is high in carbon dioxide and low in oxygen, and oxygenated blood is high in oxygen and low in carbon dioxide.
The heart is composed of 3 layers: pericardium, myocardium, and
In the heart there is 2 types of cells, RBC and WBC. RBC stands for the red blood cell, which transport the oxygens all over the body, and WBC stands for the white blood cell, which defends against the disease and various bacteria.
blood vessels are connected to the chambers which receives blood and supplies blood.
Thank you. Namaste.
My name is Rama Kadet and I am from class 9A Blue House.
And I'm Arti Mandal from class 9A.
And today we are Blue House. The title of our project is Renewable Resources. Let's talk about the energy derived from natural sources that are replenished at higher rate than they are consumed is known as renewable energy. For example, renewable energy are the sources such as air, water, wind, etc. And we have taken 2 examples of it. Here is a solar panel which works when the more sunlight rays comes on it, the more it will generate electricity. And here is a windmill which are especially found at the places like Manang and Mustang. It works in the areas of fast flowing wind, and it also generates electricity through it. And the aim of our project is to show a way to reduce carbon emission, to promote industrial development, and also to reduce fuel imports, etc. Thank you.
यसको केही प्रोसेस डेमोन्स्ट्रेट भइसक्यो. Namaste. Please your name.
My name is Sadhana Ganesh from grade 9A.
I am Nandani Coach.
I am Adarsh Chamlagai.
पुरा एक्सप्लेन गर्नु.
We are from Yellow House, Group B. The title of our demonstration is Respiratory in Human. The aim of our demonstration is to visualize the process of respiration in simple words.
This is 3D model of lungs. It shows how we respirate, breathe in and breathe out. We breathe into our nose, the nasal cavity, it passes to our pharynx, then larynx, and it passes throughout trachea. This is called trachea. After that, trachea is divided into two parts called bronchi. Each lungs have got one bronchi. That bronchi divides into various bronchioles. At the end of bronchioles, there is alveoli. It looks like this. Inside alveoli, oxygen gets mixed with blood and it goes to the heart, and heart pumps it all over the body. And in the same way, in reverse, carbon dioxide is sent out of the body through that same way. Thank you.
Thank you.
Lungs work like this.
Thank you. Namaste.
मेरा नाम सौरभ है। मेरा नाम
Speak English.
The title of project is solar energy. Solar energy is the heat and light that comes from sun, which can be used to generate electricity. The aim of this project is to show the solar panels that how the solar generates electricity from the sun. The things made by solar panels, wires, battery, etc. Solar panels work on house by converting sunlight into electricity. Electricity at night, it is not used directly, so we need some storage battery to capture sunlight batteries and produce at night. It is natural and it is cheaper, so we can use in all house. And it is
Namaste.
I'm Sandeep from class 9A.
I'm Umesh Moni from class 9A.
I'm Krishna Karthik from class 9A.
Topic of our project is hydroelectricity, which is called in Nepali Jal Vidut. And the ingredients or the things needed in this project are cartoon, chart paper, colors, water bottle cap, etc.
The aim of this project is to show that how we can produce electricity by the water.
This project will work by the following steps. Take water, pour that water into the water, release the water downwards to the turbine and it will rotate it. This is how the hydroelectricity actually works.
And let's show the demo.
By this we can produce the electricity through water.
Speak Nepali. Please speak English.
My name is Sam Hindam.
My name is Vivek Rajvanshi.
My name is Mosam Rajesh.
My name is Navin Rajvanshi.
What is this?
This is a hydro system.
Please explain.
First of all, good morning all the viewers. We are from grade 9A, Red House, representing team 1. We have made a small miniature of JCB, and today we are going to know how this JCB works in real life. Let's talk about the aim of this project.
The aim of our project is to demonstrate the hydraulic applications and also to reveal how the simple science of Pascal's law, massive machines like JCB.
The materials which are used in our project are toothpick, bottle can, wire stick, syringes 5 and cardboard.
Without doing delay, let's dive into our project and see the interior power of Pascal law in action.
Let's talk how the JCB works.
Demonstration.
Now, when we use this first syringe, the excavator rotates Then when we use the third syringe, the first arm of the JCB moves. And when we use the second syringe, the second arm of the excavator moves. Now when we use the fourth syringe, the bucket of JCB moves. This is how the JCB works in real life, and this is the miniature that shows how JCB works in real life. That's all we want to show. Thank you.
Thank you.
My name is Lisa. I'm from grade 9A. My name is Siddhika Abdul from grade 9A Red House. I'm Nazia Hafiz from grade 9A. I'm Isna Ratta from grade 9A.
Explain then.
The title of our project is Renewable Energy. The aim of our project is to generate electricity through wind. The energy which are stored from nature and never get exhausted are called renewable energy. For example, solar energy, wind energy, hydroelectricity, etc.
The advantage of this energy is it is cheaper and easily available in other components of energy. It is found in Mustang, Johnson, in hilly area. In hilly area we can use this one. We can see that
Yeah.
when it there's solar panel. We can use in Tarai area this solar panel.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Kisan Hu. We are from class 8 from Blue House.
My name is Narsam. I'm from Gross for class 8.
Explain.
This is our momentum, which is also called the third law of Newton. The third law of Newton is says that all action have the equal and opposite reaction. Demonstrating when we pull the one marble, the energy of this marble the transfer into this and this transfer to the each other, and we can see the last of the marble is moving. When we take the two marble, there is two marble energy transferred, and the another side there will be two marble will be moving. The definition of the momentum is the measurable quality that describes the motion of all object. The formula of the momentum is mass multiply velocity.
In this experiment, we need bamboo stick, marble, cardboard, super glue, and chart paper, etc.
Namaste. Introduction one by one. Please your name.
My name is Sameshwari.
My name is Aditya Khatura,
I'm Kungu Rajvanshi.
and we are from class 8, Blue House, group number 2.
What is this?
This is a simple science experiment, and its name is burning the candle and water like this. Where is the lighter? When you burn the candle, and after burning it, you cover it. After covering it, the candle stops burning and the water starts rising. This happens when the
It happens when the candle inside the glass takes all the oxygen. After taking all the oxygen inside the glass, it creates low pressure inside the glass, and it creates our normal pressure outside the glass. To maintain the pressure, the water rises little bit.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Today we are going to demonstrate a model of rocket. We are from Yell House Group 2 from class 8. Today we are going to demonstrate a model of rocket. It works due to hydraulic pressure. The materials that were required for this project were
Two syringes, cardboard, paper, water, and glue and gum.
paper is for rocket body and fins, cardboard is for rocket launch pad, syringe and tube for rocket launching, and water as rocket fuel. The scientific principle behind this project is, it is based on a Newton's third law of motion, which says that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Which means when the pressure is applied to the syringe, the water ejects with force down and it lifts the rocket. This model shows how pressure and force work together to lift the rocket. In real life, it is this principle is used with powerful fuel instead of water. They are used to send satellites and astronauts in the space, but we have made this simple model sample. Thank you.
Thank you. Please, first of all, your introduction. Please, your name.
My name is Bibisa Rajvanshi. My name is Hamza. Today we are going to
What is this?
this is air pressure.
And
Symbol of air pressure.
explain. Explain.
First of all, we grow the bed. Then after, we will join this in the mouth of the when the air is going inside, the air is pushing the water outside.
Namaste. Please. Wait. Please, your introduction. Please, your name.
My name is Prince Yadav, and we are from class 8 greenhouse group number 1. And our project name is volcano eruption.
Okay.
We all know that volcano eruption is one of the dangerous and harmful activity that take place in our surrounding. Inside it, there are rocks which are scattered by each other, and it forms the lava. The materials needed for this:
Cardboard, paper, and water bottle, soda, and some colors.
the steps to make this: put little water on it. After that, mix it well with shampoo and food color, and at last, to see the erupt, you can put the the scientific principle behind this project is to show the reaction between and water. The aim of this project is due to heat within the Earth's magmas. Thank you.
Thank you.
Any
Welcome.
questions, sir?
No question, Amal. Namaste. First of all, your introduction. Please, your name.
My name is Smita Imra. My name is Kritika Rajvanshi. We are from Yellow House, group number 1.
And what is this?
This is water dispenser. Aim of making this project is to show how does water work with the principle of air pressure and gravity. The things needed for this project are cardboard, plastic bottle, cup, straw. Process of making this water dispenser. First we took water bottle and make a small hole and put straw. Now my friend will explain how it works.
Now we will put some water by holding the nip of the straw. In the water bottle there is water, but also the water doesn't flow from the straw because the bottle of the cap is tightened. Now as soon as we will loosen the cap of the water bottle, the water will start flowing from the straw. The concept behind this is the principle of air pressure. When we loosen the cap, the air can goes inside the water bottle and generate the pressure so that the water flow from the straw. But when we tighten the water cap, the air cannot go to the water inside water bottle and cannot generate the pressure, so that the water doesn't flow from the straw. I hope you like our project. This is our simple machine to show how does the water work with the help of principle of air pressure. Thank you.
Thank you.